Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making a very simple homemade remedy for your cold, flu and sore throats. Come with me as we make this delicious, healthy ginger toffee. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's make this delicious, healthy, home remedy candy together. Come, let's go. We'll be needing our coconut oil, lime juice, sugar, ginger paste, salt to taste, and cinnamon. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our candy. We'll start by adding our sugar to the pan. We are going to make our caramel. We first have to make this caramel. On a medium heat, you get a very delicious golden brown caramel. It's the same process of making your coconut candy. So if you have not watched that video, go to my channel and watch that video. On a medium heat, with patience, you can see our sugar is really melting and it's really caramelizing, really beautiful. You don't need to burn it. You need just a low heat to melt your sugar into this delicious golden caramel. We'll go ahead and add our ginger paste. Stir it in. Make this process in a low heat, because you don't need to burn this. Really, on a medium heat, you have to make this process after adding your ginger. I'll go ahead and add just this amount of salt to bring the taste in your toffee. It's very important. And I'll add my cinnamon. Cinnamon, you all know, it boosts your immune system. So it's very important to add it to this candy. And I'll squeeze some lime juice and add it to lime juice. Half a lime juice is okay. The seed from the lime. And then we'll combine everything together, stir it in. The flavors here, guys, the lemon and the cinnamon and the ginger together with the caramel, guys. The flavors here is also really, I'm enjoying the flavors here. And this caramel toffee, ginger toffee, is really delicious, but it's also healthy when you have cold or flu, when you have sore throat, when you are coughing, for also cough, guys. When you are coughing, you put one of these in your mouth, you stop coughing because of the ginger and the lime and the cinnamon in this candy or toffee. And add our coconut oil. Then put the heat off, because remove it from the fire, because this is what I'm going for. I like the way it is, because when it's cooled down, it will automatically increase the color. It will cook more, so the color will just automatically become more brown. So I'll go for this color. It's good, and they will allow you to cool down. But please, this is really very hot, so you really have to be very careful. Just let it cool down a little bit before you boil it out. So we will wait for it to cool down and come back later to boil it. and then mold them in the shape that we want. Now our candy is really good. I'll go ahead and boil it on the mat. So guys, I'm doing this because I want it to cool down very fast for me. So air will circulate in it and it will cool down in a low time, because you cannot work on it if it's like this. So when air circulates in it, it cools down and it will harden so that we can mold them in the shape that we really want. Guys, it's almost cooling down, so now we can start to mold them. Look, it looks really good. So guys, when you have cold, when you are coughing, even for your children, you can make this delicious, healthy remedy for them. Trust me, it really works like magic. And you know what you are putting in. And ginger, we all know, is very healthy. Lime or prevent boost your immunity. So this homemade toffee is a must when you have children with flu or cold or coughing, sore throat. You can give it to them. The shininess we are getting is because of the coconut oil I added it, you know. Use any oil of your choice, but I always prefer the healthiest choice, coconut oil. And look, it looks so shiny and beautiful. With the help of your scissors, you just go ahead and cut it in any shape that you want. Look, it's ready. So we are going to wait for it to cool down, and then we'll come and bag them. Or you can also put it in a container and leave it in your fridge. Anytime you have a sick child in your house, or you yourself, you can just take it and then your cough will stop, or pain relief. If you have pain or sore throat, or you have flu, when you eat one of this for 3 days, you'll be fine, guys. So guys, you can see I'm just bagging them individually like this, and then you can save them in your fridge. As long as it's there, you can just use them. It's really delicious, guys. And even if your child doesn't have any cold, you can also make this one for them as a treat. Instead of buying all those things, you don't know what they are made out of. You can just make this delicious ginger candy or sweet for yourself, and then just give it to them as a treat. You can also check on the channel how I made my coconut candy. It's also on the channel. Check it out, guys, and share your woman out. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and everyone watching, thank you for the support. It's really massive. So guys, this is the last one. Our candies are ready. Look, they look so good. So we are going to save them like this individually. It makes them very easy for you to give them out. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy ginger toffee or candy for your cold, cough, flu, and sore throat. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Kiss, kiss.